Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango. I'm going to show you a very important position of your knees. Before going to the video, remember to subscribe, like if you're enjoying it, and share with your friends. Now, let's work. Okay, very important position of your torso compared with your legs. I have to be sure that I'm going to step on the toes most of the time. So this is my ideal position, here on my toes. Not on the heels, not back on the heels. So a very important exercise is to recognize when I'm on the heels, when I'm on the toes. So I will change body weight from the front part of my foot to the back part of my feet, actually. Front and back. Front and back. Now, if you notice, I'm not moving the upper body or the higher part of the upper body, the head, not forward, not back. It's complete body on my toes, on my heel. On my toes, on my heel. So you see the body, how it moves. Here I'm feeling very much on my toes. I can go off the floor with the heels. Here I'm back on my heel. I can move my toes off the floor. So you have to recognize that and you have to try to master this. This is very important. Now, the position of the ribs are never collapsing, never curving. The back never curving. This is very important to have the shoulders back. The ribs facing up and front. So I can move the back part of the head on my heels when I move back, and the ribs forward when I go to the toes. So head, back, ribs, forward. Head, back, ribs, forward. This exercise that looks really simple, it will improve your posture and it will keep you very centered when you do the figures. Because if you have to go push forward or connect with your partner, you are not going to curve the shoulders. You're going to move forward from the ribs and that will position you on your toes. If you have to pull your partner, you're going to move the head back, go to your heels, and then she or she will feel, the partner will feel the tension. You are pulling because your head is back, so you are pulling. When you go forward, you are pushing. You are pushing with the ribs, so you don't have to push with the arms. So that will create very important connection with your partner. This is pulling the partner, and this is pushing, resisting the position. For example, when I walk back, I'm on my toes. So my ribs are forward, I'm pushing the leader. In my case, because I follow, I'm pushing the leader with my ribs. So we connect and then I feel exactly when he moves forward. If I have to walk front, I'm pulling. I'm bringing the head back. I'm back mostly on the back part of my foot, almost on the heel bat. I'm pulling so I can extend the leg without falling because all my torso is back, so I can extend the leg and I feel when he pulls and then I move. So I let the partner pull, I offer the leg, and then we transfer weight together. Different if I do forward, because in this case I'm pushing my partner, I go push my partner. And I don't follow the lead, I don't follow the musicality, the rhythm. So I have to be pulling to extend so I can do short step or larger, long step. And I'm always back until we change body weight. Very important tip to be able to connect with the partner and to keep the musicality and create very good lines, plus keeping your posture and be elegant. Now, about the knees, I promised to give you a tip for the knees. So this is slack in your knees. This is slack knees, more like back. This is slack. Mostly we don't dance in this position, never. like locking the knees. Sometimes we do side step lifting, so I lock the knees to feel like expanding up to walk. Certain moments, but very little, never moving. So I have to be soft on the knees. For that, I'm moving the knees front on top of my toes. But only the knees. You don't see the upper body moving. See, the torso is not moving. From the ribs to the head is not moving. It's just the knees going front. So this is soft knee. This is soft knee, and I'm not lowering. This is lowering. We don't do that. We don't do this for the step. We just make it soft and keep the level. So I can go soft knees for this, soft knee for this, but I will not do all the time. So we don't show up and down because we make it softer from the knees without lowering the torso. See, so this is very important. So when you have to make it softer and use your toes for different steps, I'm using the toes, not the heels. I'm keeping the knees very soft, moving the knees forward, front, but not lowering the knees because that makes everything moves down. So this is very important to practice. Center, shoulders back, ribs, feel the heels, feel the toes, and later off the floor, heels off the floor to make the knees soft and feel your toes and dance here.